Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential tutorial on how to change your PIN on the Kwikset lock for 2025. With smart home security evolving rapidly, updating your PIN is a simple way to keep your home safe and secure. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresh, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have your current PIN handy. You'll need it to start the process. Also, ensure your Kwikset lock is powered on and functioning properly. These locks are designed for ease of use, so you won't need any special tools. To begin, approach your Kwikset lock and enter your current PIN on the keypad. Once entered, press the gear icon or settings button, which is typically located on the lock's interface. This will take you into the settings menu. Next, navigate to the User Codes or PIN Management section. It might be listed as an option on the screen. Just use the arrow keys or buttons to select it. Now, choose the option to change or add a new PIN. You'll be prompted to enter your new PIN, so pick something strong and memorable, like a mix of numbers and letters if your lock supports it. After entering the new PIN, the system will ask you to confirm it by typing it in again. This double check helps prevent errors. Once confirmed, exit the settings menu by pressing the appropriate button, often labeled Back or Exit. Finally, test your new PIN by locking and unlocking the door to ensure everything works smoothly. If you encounter any issues, double-check the lock's manual or reset if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your PIN on the Kwikset lock. This is a great habit for maintaining security in your smart home. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more handy tech tips. Thanks for watching and stay secure.